Zira, you're stabbing your kitty. Why you stab your kitty? You stab.
Zira, do you still love me?
No.
Zira! Zira?
The way her ears are moving like human,
Zira,
no.
I'm sorry.
Human, no.
You will accept my apology?
If you could only see the look on Zira's face.
Accept my apology.
It is so full of human, no.
Pinky, promise you accept my apology.
Girl, please. Voldemew. Voldemew.
Yes, you like that pudding.
Voldemew. Oh. You stopped at Voldemew.
Will you accept my apology?
Voldemew. Come here. Remember when we first got Voldemew and it was like, you're getting used, like, yes, yes, love me. Now it's Voldemew. Voldemew. Come here. Why you don't listen? Why you don't love me?
Yeah.
Don't be such a rude.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
She says yes.
Voldemew says no. Zira, you love me? Zira, let me love you.
I has the cat now.
Zira. Voldemew, will you come to me? Voldemew. No. No.
She came to your pants.
Voldemew, let me love you. Come here. Voldemew. We have to seriously clean up this place.
Yep.
Wings. Oh, by the way, feel free to have some of my ginormous collection of cereal. Yeah.
I like my corn pops, thank you very much. Because I'm weird and like corn pops.
Corn pops are the best.
Wait, but no one else likes Glees.
I
I want
do.
to buy a box of like
Corn
the
Pops is the
Frozen cereal
best.
and the Avengers cereal because I can't.
Just because.
I want to buy the Avengers cereal and eat
That
it
is
every
pretty much
time.
like my entire life since I got a job was, I'm gonna get this to eat because I can now. Because,
It's
yeah.
convenient. No, I'm gonna have the Avengers cereal for my Avengers.
So many things we do just because we can.
I may.
Weasel?
I may.
Weasel?
I may.
Are you talking like Forrest Gump?
I may.
Weasel?
Life is like a box of chocolates.
No, it's not. What even is that?
That was my Forrest Gump. I was watching Forrest Gump today.
That was a really weird Forrest Gump.
Life is like a box of chocolates.
Like,
I don't have his deep voice. Life is like a box of chocolates.
no, we're not going.
You never
We're not
know
going.
what
No, we're not doing this. Anyways, did you take 3 3/4 monsters again?
No.
Good. We don't need that.
I had like 6 pieces of chocolate though.